Good morning. Welcome back. We are here in Elwood, Nebraska today with Colorado Kayak Bassmasters for stop number 3. Stop number 2 was yesterday here at Elwood, but I blanked, so no video. Actually, out of the 30 people that were fishing, only 11 people caught fish, so that tells you how tough it was. That's like Boyd numbers. So yeah, it was bad. I found one frogfish during practice that I didn't set the hook on during practice. Went back there yesterday. He was still there. Blew up on my frog again. I hooked him, and then he got wrapped around a tree and got off. Oh no! And that was my day. That was the only bite I got all day. So just gonna go fishing today. I got no plan at all. So let's just get down to the water, load up, and go get after them. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. All right, let's go.
It'll turn off. Mr. Flanagan?
What's up?
Not the fishies.
Nope.
They're not awake yet.
Oh, they will be today.
Yeah, hit us up, okay?
All right, cool, man. I appreciate that.
Good
Yeah.
luck out there.
Like I said, it's working. It's just noisy. I don't know.
When's the last time you lubed it up?
I just did when it started making noise, so we'll see.
Yeah, go to the gear oil.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I heard that. All right, man. Good luck out there. Good luck, Brick. All right. Whoops. Let's see what we can do today. Barely threw a buzzbait at all yesterday because it wasn't doing anything in practice, so I might throw it a little bit more today, especially these conditions. This is good buzzbait conditions. Alright, this is a spot where I got a really good frogfish when I was here a month ago, which obviously doesn't mean a whole lot. This time of year, things change like crazy in a month, but it's a good looking spot, so Still one here. And let's see if I can not lose him like I did yesterday. Oh, finally got one. Don't know if he's going to be 12. But I caught a freaking fish. Come on, be 12, you son of a... Oh, he's got to be close. Alright. Didn't skunk. Hell yeah. That's a load off. On the green pumpkin chatterbait, which I did not throw yesterday for some dumb reason. Should have known better. What's up, bro? You chilling? Sorry, I got no snacks for you, bud. What you doing? Alright, later. Alright, number 2. This one's better. Heck yeah. Just poached Nick's spot. Not really, he left it. Nick was just over here, my brother Nicky the weatherman. Oh geez. That was almost a disaster. And yeah, Nick just caught a 19.5 over here. So that's freaking awesome for him. So I figured I'd give that frogfish that I just missed. I figured I'd give him a rest. Try over here, then go back and try to get that frogfish. And it's like Nick left me one. Thanks, bud. Appreciate that. 14 1/4. Okay. Finally got a good one. Alright, bud. Oh man, I can't believe that. The one thing I didn't throw yesterday, green pumpkin jackhammer, and it's a thing everybody makes fun of, not makes fun of me, but everybody knows that's my confidence bait. Everybody in the club, I mean. You know, anytime I do well in a tournament, let me guess, Flanagan, green pumpkin chatterbait. And they're usually right, to be fair. And I didn't throw it all day yesterday. I threw Morning Dawn and Bee Height Delight and Skunked. And all I had to do was throw my trusty green pumpkin. Well, who knows? Could have also been the area. I'm in a completely different area today, so who knows, but oh man, all right, I'm already feeling better. Yo! I left all that alone. I know you're working one in there. Don't worry about it. No, I left it all alone. I went back and poached your, where you got that 19.5 and I got a 16. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I got a 14 right over there. Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, I had a frog blow up under that overhang there, but when I went back the second time, wasn't there. All right, thanks, bud. Don't worry about it, though. If you want to fish it, go for it. No, I know. I love you, man. Oh, I got you. Well, haven't talked in a while. Been nothing to talk about. It has been dead ever since I got those two this morning. Nothing else happening. But, you know, whatever. At least I don't feel the skunk pressure that I felt yesterday. So I have no idea if people are catching them better today or if it's just as tough as it was yesterday for everybody. No idea. I'm not going to look. Be a surprise at awards. See how we did. But slow day, but still fun. Sort of, I guess. Mostly just been running with my green pumpkin jackhammer since that's what got most of the bites. Or all the bites. Been trying the frog since I keep getting blow-ups on the frog. It would be nice to get a little redemption and land a frogfish, but so I'll keep trying it whenever I see something that looks froggy, like one of the spots I've been getting them on in the far backs of coves. Tried the mag draft a little bit since I got one on that in practice. No takers today. Been throwing the Texas rig in spots that look like they should be shallow. No takers. We're just running out the clock at this point, trying to get another one, obviously. A doy. Alright, my 1 hour left alarm just went off. Got 1 hour to make something happen. Let's just get one more. It'd be kind of cool. Especially if I could get it on a frog. I'd really like to get some redemption since I lost 2 frogfish. And this looks pretty froggy back here, doesn't it? Nope. Alright. Oh, let's hit the one last spot. Finish up a day. Alright, what do we got? We got 14 minutes left. Trying to make something happen. And failing. I'm not really feeling the spot I'm in, honestly. There's a spot over here that I caught a fish a month ago when I was here. I figured I'd try it on my way out. Not really feeling it though. But whatever, what are you gonna do? Oh, you stupid asshole. Oh. Love getting stuck with minutes to go. That's all she wrote. Not enough time to reel one in if I get it. Oh well. At least we didn't skunk. Let's get back to the ramp, load up, see what the scores were. Should be interesting.